You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Japanese, how to pronounce it correctly. Oh, sorry for that. So the Japanese pronunciation is sayonara. Oh, sorry, what does this keep coming up? It means goodbye in Japanese. It's a Japanese farewell. Sayonara. Sayonara is how it's said in Japan. So Japanese pronunciation, sayonara. Or in English, I mean, if you cannot pronounce Japanese perfectly, you can say sayonara, sayonara, or sayonara. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.